I chopped up some apples, sprinkled a little bit of cinnamon, sugar, nutmeg, vanilla extract, and of course some cornstarch. And I just like melt it down, simmer it down, cook it down, whatever. Okay, I put it between low and medium, and I cooked that until it came to a little consistency like that. Then I grabbed some pie crust. I forgot the name of it, but get whatever pie crust you want. My pie crust did not come pre-cut, so I just cut it with my champagne glass or wine glass, whatever. Champagne glass? No, wine glass. All right. Then I place it on top of a parchment paper on a pizza rack because I don't have a baking sheet. Don't come for me. And then I took this tea scooper and I just scooped it up and I just placed it on one of the little, yeah, add a little bit more if you're going to do this. Add a little bit more because it wasn't giving. I should put 2 scoops versus 1. All right, the leftover, I just cut that up and just threw it on top of there, guys. I, I slathered some egg wash on there, which I should never did that. But then I grabbed some more cinnamon that I got from Trader Joe's. And I sprinkled that on top. And then I sprinkled some sugar as well. And then I cooked it on like 375 for like 15 minutes. And then voila, this is what you have. I tried to get fancy and like drizzle some caramel on top of it. But I had no more. So I didn't have no more. Like, look at this. What is that? So I grabbed some powdered sugar. Just sprinkle it on top of there. And then, of course, it tried to fall off the plate. Whatever. Thanks for watching.